for falling. I was just a little boy. Don't blame the drunk caller, wasn't ready for it all. You can't blame me, darling, not even a little bit. 'Cause I was away and I'm just an arrogant son of a bitch who can't admit when he's sorry. Don't call me baby again, you got your reasons. I know you're trying to be friends, I know you mean it, but don't call me baby again. It's hard for me to go home, be so lonely. Hi, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making To Be So Lonely by Harry Styles. In this tutorial, I'll first show you the basic harmonics of the song, in other words, the chords that you can just strum and sing the song and it will sound okay. And after that, we'll dig a little bit more deep into it to try to make it sound more like the original. I'll show you the most advanced thing that I was able to pick up from listening to the song, and after that, I'll simplify it a little bit. So maybe even the beginners will be able to get something more than just strumming the chords from this tutorial. I hope so, I don't know, I hope I do a good job. Let's go. Okay, so let's take a look at the harmonics, the structure of the song. All right, just the chords. In the intro, we have C twice, all right? And on every letter that you see right here, you have to count to 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and after that, we go to the first verse. Don't blame me for falling, I was just a little boy. And then we go to A minor. You lay deep, deep, wasn't ready for it all. And we repeat the same thing one more time. Can't blame me, darling, not even a little bit. I get A minor, 'cause I was away and I'm just a get on me when he's sorry. Okay, and after that we go to the chorus, which starts with A minor to G. But here notice that A minor and G are together 8 countings, and on A minor we are counting 3, and on G we are counting 5. So if you count it, it's something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In other words, after A minor, the G is coming a little bit earlier, and after E minor, the F major 7 is coming a little bit earlier. And the strumming pattern I'm doing is down, down, up, up. And on the next down, I'm going to the next chord. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Don't call me baby again, you got your reasons. I know you're trying to be friends, I know you mean it, but don't call me baby again. It's hard for me to go home, feel so lonely. Okay, and after that we go to the second verse, which is a little bit different. So we start with C again twice, after that we have A minor once, and after that C once and A minor twice. Instead of these chords of the verses, in a little bit I'll show you how to play this. But in a little bit, okay. After the second verse we have a chorus, and after that we have the bridge, which we are doing A minor for 8 counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to F major 7 twice. But on A minor I'm doing this. And I'm grabbing the F right up here, barring on the 12th fret with the ring finger, the A, E and C string, and with the pointing finger on the 10th fret of the G. I'm just an arrogant son of a bitch who cannot be sorry. Don't call me baby again, and you get back to the chorus. All right, so this pretty much sums it up as a matter of structure. Now let me come a little bit closer to show you the most interesting thing of this song. Okay, so instead of the C in the intro, in the interlude, and in the verse, we can do this. Okay, so how to do that? On the C string, pointing finger 2nd fret. On the G string, ring finger 4th fret. And here with the middle finger, I'm picking up like this, just the C and G string, okay? So, first I do this, and after that I slide the ring finger to the 5th fret, and with the middle finger on the 4th fret. And by the way, if you have a low G string, it will sound exactly like the original. With a high G, as this ukulele that I'm having right now in my hands, it sounds a little bit different than the original, but if you have a low G, it will sound exactly like it. Okay, so this is the first step. You can practice this alone, kind of a complicated thing. So you have to make your muscles make it automatically. Okay, and then after that, we're grabbing something like C9, I guess, because you're adding a little bit of a D. So we're adding here the ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, pointing finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and middle finger on the 4th fret of the C string. Here's the tricky part. We have to do it really fast like this. What I'm doing is I'm stretching my finger like this. Okay, I hope this is focused right now. I'm not sure. And I'm trying to play the strings really fast with this part right here, not with this part, because if I play with this part, my finger gets under the strings and it kind of make a bad noise. But if I stretch it as much as I can and I play it with this part right here, it sounds like this. Okay, also where I'm doing it right here in this area where it is sliding from the body of the ukulele to the strings, okay? So, to summarize it, with the middle finger strumming up just the C and G string. And after that, when we grab here, the first strum, I'm doing it with the nail. And after that, I'm getting in this shape and I'm doing like this, okay? So. And after that, on the A minor, we start exactly the same. But we're grabbing A minor with a little bit of C right here. On the G string 2nd fret and on the A string 3rd fret, like this. And the same technique with the right hand, all right? All right, I promised you a simplified version. Here it is. We'll not use the G string. It will make it easier to do, and you can use your thumb to do it on the C string only, and we will do 2 4 2 4, and then we'll just put the pinky right here on the 5th fret of the A string, and again this technique with the right hand. All right. And then on the A minor, again, the same. For me at least, this is the most complicated thing here. And that's why I think that this is a good replacement. I don't know. Anyway, this is my tutorial for To Be So Lonely. Thank you very much for watching it till the very end. I really appreciate that. If you press the like button and subscribe to the channel, this will be even better, because that way YouTube is pushing my video up a little bit and more people can see it. And that was all from me for today. See you on the next one. Bye.